To add a comparison table on Squarespace, start by opening a browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Log into your account using your email and password. Then proceed to your account dashboard. From there, select the website where you want to add the comparison table. Next, create an account on a website that offers comparison table templates, and search for comparison table in the app catalog. Choose a template, such as a pricing table, and modify it to suit your needs. The example provided is about cars, but you can change it to fit your website's purpose. Once you've customized the template, click Publish and copy the link provided. Return to your Squarespace account. Click Edit on the page where you want to add the comparison table. Then click Add Block and select Embed. Paste the link into the Embed field, and your comparison table will be added to your website. You can then exit and view your newly added widget.